So hey YouTube, what's up? So sitting in front of us we have the naked Gobroke that Baduga FPV and myself worked on and put together, and what you got here is, this is the basics of what you're going to need. You're going to need to print a case, obviously, or someone to print your case, and the camera holder. And that kind of just snaps in. It's kind of a little tight in there, but like so. Locks right in, and then this would go like this, and that's your case. So next thing is going to be needed is the run cam split 3 Nano light. Okay, it's going to be looking like this. And then what's going to happen is you're going to just assemble everything. You're going to make sure it's in the upright position, which I believe is like this. Put some glasses on. Yeah, so this should go like this. So you want to put that in like this. Go ahead and put a screw in it. Is that going to mess with that? No. Yeah, it probably will. Okay. So put that in there, center it up, screw it down, and that's pretty much going to be in there. So let's go ahead and find us a screw. This should work just fine. And we're going to kind of just put that in there. That's probably about where we want to be. And just kind of screw it in. Just give it a little bit of pressure with the PETG, and it kind of goes right in, as you can see. Yeah, that's fair. So you could probably get one up top there, but anyway, you're just more or less putting this in to just sturdy it in there, is all that's for. So we could get one in there. It's right on the edge, but anyway, you'll get what I'm saying. So go ahead and do that. Then you want to take this and lock it in to the camera case itself, just like so. Then you want to take the board, take your little JST connector and push it through. You want that out the back side. What we got going on here? Like I said, it's a matter of just assembling it. I had it going in the other hole. So probably should use something to push it through there instead of trying to use my finger. Sideways, probably. There we go. So just push it through sideways. Like I said, there's really no exact way to do it. Any way you get it in there works. Hope this is in frame. Should be. Just go ahead and pull your wires through, and then center up your board. What you're going to be doing that right on those marks are made for it. You're going to take your screws, and I feel like I'm just going to go like this and go down through the back of it with the little hex on the back, and it'll still slide in the mount. It should, but I guess the proper way to do it would be this way. That way you had the button heads on the inside, and you could also take some O-rings. I'm trying not to drag this out, honestly. You can take some O-rings and drop in there on it, which will make it, if it'll come back out of there. Okay. Alright. Let's see, can we do that, or we need to get the smaller ones out? I think we'll be good with that. Let's get these off. And like I said, this is to save some money. If you guys don't know, the GoPros are expensive to buy, and then you got to turn around and literally make it naked to do all this with it, and doesn't always work out. I'm one that did it, so I know it didn't. We talked about this on the live stream too, but we wanted to do the video and assemble it just to make it more legit. So there's that. Just go ahead and screw the nut down onto it. And obviously these screws are way too long. You guys can obviously tell that. That's a no-brainer. But there's a method to taking care of that. You just take side cutters and clip them off. I just want to show you guys just more or less how to put it together. That's what this video is all about. Just how it works. It gives good footage. Like, you can go on my channel and look. I have footage on there. Naked GoPro testing, and it's good footage. Really clear. Just what you want out of, you know, your footage. So yeah, you just put that in like that and go ahead and screw it on in. Like I said, we're gonna just clip them off, but to give you the idea of what's going on here. And Baduga FPV, he made the case for it, so I just printed it and purchased the run cam so we can give it a shot and mock everything up on how it's going to work. So you're looking at $50 for the camera, and I'd say $10 is fair for the case. You got your SD card, it'll pop in there. You got the little safety hatch onto it. So then you just take that wire and just lay it down in there like so. Any which way you feel that you can get it in there. And then you're gonna take these and just stick it right on there. So move Crystal's iPad. Let's take some side cutters and just hack it right off. Kind of point it towards something like those boxes. Whack it right off. Should be good to go. And then just press it together, and we're hitting our screw heads, so which we knew that was going to happen. I need to pull them down a little bit further, and then just grind them down. That's no big deal at all right there. Not at all. So I just don't think I'm gonna get more in there. Don't want to mess the board up, that's for sure. That's what you want to be careful doing this. There you go. And that guy, get him out of there. So then you got, like I said, this kind of just pops all in here. Why aren't we going in on this side? Are we hitting? Yeah, we're still hitting. So I have to just I'm gonna end up using some nylon screws and then just putting that in there. But anyway, you're gonna take that and you're gonna need 4 types of screws like this. Just Phillips with the little point on them, and that's what you're gonna put in the corners here, and that's what's gonna hold it together. Let me show you like this. And then one in this corner over here, obviously. And like I said, if it wasn't for that studs that I cut off hitting didn't have the right screws out right here, but if it wasn't for that, we'd have no problem with it fitting in this case. So I gotta trim that up, but just forget about that for now. That's where we're at. Let's take the screw back out. I see it lifted off the pad, off the bottom down there. Yeah, kind of hold it in place to get it going. Did the same thing. Okay, but you get what I'm doing there. It's the board stuck there, so. And then your cord, you're just gonna come out the back and just gonna plug it right in. Here's what I did. I run it right off my flight controller and I plug it right in at that point. So that's how you do the naked Gobroke. The ND filter is coming soon for it. Baduga's working on that. So, and then that just slides right on in here if the, you know, the screws were in there, and that's it. Comes in at, I think it was 22 grams. So can't beat that as far as weight. But that's the naked Gobroke, and that's the how to assemble it. Now there are 2 screws for to hold that end back here. You can use the same type of screw here. Just kind of go in the back and secure it down with 2 screws, and it's solid. Everything's good to go, and you can see it's solid and rigid right there. So that's it. Pick you up one of the Runcam 3 split nanos, and then get with someone. The files will be in the description down below for you to print this, or to get up with someone that does printing and get you one printed. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope this helps you. Again, big thanks to Baduga FPV for designing the case and everything. And yeah, everyone had to, you know, gave us some advice on, you know, what we needed to do and whatnot. Thank you too, and peace.